Are you sick and tired of losing your hair? Here at Premier, we have a real solution. With the ARTAS robot, we can get you looking and feeling like you again. With physician design and expertise, we combine superior technology with surgical artistry. With our advanced near-scarless technique, you can undo years of hair loss in just one day. The ARTAS system provides speed and accuracy that is unmatched by outdated methods. Because when it comes to your hair, precision matters. The ARTAS robot uses high-def stereoscopic vision and artificial intelligence to identify and select the best follicles for replacement. Once extracted, each follicle is inspected for quality and counted. Graft extraction is performed as efficiently as possible, all while preserving the natural look of the donor area. For those who've had previous strip method transplant or those who require a large volume of grafting, automated extraction techniques are also available. Scalp treatment with PRP is included to accelerate recovery and enhance your outcome. This advanced biotherapy improves graft survival by saturating follicles in your own natural and highly concentrated growth factors. Physician-designed placement sites ensure a natural and age-appropriate look that lasts a lifetime. Follicles are carefully placed, all while you enjoy your day off. Catered meals, Wi-Fi, and streaming television are all part of our VIP service. With clear instructions, caring for your hair is simple, with minimal time away from work and exercise. Noticeably thicker, natural-looking, and permanent hair begins to grow around 6 months, with continued growth over time. Don't believe me? See for yourself. So there you have it. Call the office at 724-933-1800 to schedule your consultation today.